today running low on ink or cartridges on your printer? Well, I'm here to teach you how to replace the ink and the cartridges, I think that's the same thing, on HP Deskjet 2600 series and even I think other printers. So let us get started. Hey, what's up guys? This is again MZ More channel or Showtime with MZ, and if you're new to my channel, we are making a bunch of cool technological stuff and like reviews, unboxings, tutorials just like this. So if you're new here, consider subscribing down below. And in today's video, I'm here to teach you, well, how to replace the ink on your printer. That's the situation in which I was. I wanted to replace my ink and I didn't know how to. Then I learned it and now I'm here to share this knowledge with you. And we are starting right now. So here we are. This is my printer over here, and as you can see, I am running very low on the ink. Even I don't have any ink over here. So yeah, kind of understand the situation. Okay, and now let us fill this ink, okay? So here is my ink. I bought this, so the link for this product is of course down below in the description, so you can of course purchase it from there. And now, let's open it up. So, this is how it opens, as you can see. And yeah, just open. And this is how it looks from the inside. And let's see. So first we got these black and white Catridge inks, and then we have the color ink right here, like this. And we also get two things. I'm not quite sure where are they. I'm gonna show you them anyway. So like this. Can you see them? Okay. And now, some little piece of an instruction, I guess. So this is the instruction for inserting these inks over to the cat ink printer. And also in the box we get something right here that says "not happy." Okay, and this is something. Oh, we have it like unfold. Okay, so 20% of next Jarbo value purchase, 2 years warranty and replacement, just register now. Okay, so pretty cool. And some other stuff, so you must register your Amazon order number via email and that sort of stuff. So this is just like a coupon or something like that, voucher. So we don't need this, so I'm gonna tidy up and of course return. So get ready, steady, go. Okay, I'll tidy up. So let's get first of all the black one, the black ink, and let's replace it. So now let's open it up. I thought it would be easier. So I'm gonna grab the scissors and return. So here are my scissors. I'm gonna try to cut it like this, maybe. Oh, like this. So you see, this is the place where you can cut it. I'm gonna do that. So here is the ink, the black and the white one. So we are gonna of course install this one over here. Now we need to first of all remove the clip from it. So like this, look. This one, we are gonna remove it, I guess, so that it's like this, I guess. No, oh, it doesn't come really easily. No, it does. Okay, so this is how you do it. So we will remove the tape or the clip over here, and we are now gonna remove this thing. So we're gonna right now go ahead and remove it. Oh, it says don't remove this chip. So it seems like we must not remove this chip. Okay, pretty much interesting thing. Now, then what shall we remove if not the chip? We shall remove this plastic. I think this one. Yes. So it's coming right like this, and we are gonna remove it like this. So you see. Now, once it is already removed like this is the final thing that you must get. So like this, we'll remove the chip, of course. And yeah, this is how the ink looks. So this is the model number is 65XL. And some other stuff over here, black and white. Now, to actually install the cartridges or the ink, whatever you call it, you know, we're gonna open up this section of the printer like this, and then what you're gonna do is that I'm gonna zoom in so that you can see it better, like this. And then what you're gonna do is that you're gonna open up the last section of the printer, and you will see the ink going around over there. That's the ink, and that's the old one, and we will replace this with this one, okay? So now to actually replace those, I would recommend unplugging your printer from the power source. I think that's quite reasonable thing to do, I guess. And now, if you could actually see over there, I don't think you can see that, but I will try to show it to you that we have some instructions over there. Okay? And now, let us finally do this. Okay? So we're gonna get it out like this, and we will remember the position in which it was. So it needs to be like this, and we are gonna take the new one, which is this one, and we are gonna actually put it inside as this one, so as this one was, okay? So we're gonna get it, take it, and then try to put it inside. So like this, it's really easy and simple. So like this, did you see that? Easy and simple. You must hear that sound or something like that, and it will be good to go. Now let's do all the same thing with this one, the color ink. So we're gonna zoom out a little bit to actually be able to see what we're doing. Now again, this packaging, again the scissors, and we're gonna cut them like this so that it's easy. And be careful not to cut your ink itself, because that would be just something what you don't really want to happen. So now here is the color ink. It looks like this, as you can see. So it says some things over here, some jumbo and jarbo, and the color ink with the 65XL, and the color and remanufactured for 65XL. So we are gonna remove this thing over here as we did previously on the previous black and white cartridges. So again, it doesn't come out really easily, okay? So I guess I found out how to really do this. So you need to pull this part off, and then it pulls off really well. And also we are gonna of course remove this tape or something like that, so that it's like this, clean and easy and ready to go. Let's finally insert it. So yeah, now I'm gonna take that one out. As you can see, I will zoom in again like this, and we are gonna and like this. So again, we must put it as it was, like this, and this is the old ink, and now we are gonna replace it with the new one. So again, putting it like this. So we're going like that, and getting ready to put it in, and like this, and like this. So once you already hear the or sound, then you are ready to go with your ink. So yeah, this is the replaced ink one. We are gonna put them into this thing again. I don't know why, but maybe we'll need it sometime soon. Okay, and so yeah, and let's close it like this, and this one as well, and plug it into the power source again. So I already plugged it into the power source. I think it must not be like that. I think we must move it aside, but I don't know. Yeah, it moves itself aside itself. So yeah, it's just checking that everything is okay with the printer. And we're gonna just simply close it up and up like this. So it's kind of dirty thing to do if you don't know how to do this, but but still. And so I don't know what happened, but it started to print some document or something like that out. Oh, it's like to test that the printer, this new ink, has been installed correctly and it works correctly. So let's see what it will give us. Okay, so it has printed out some little document to just be sure that every color works correctly. So it says important printer alignment page, so you must scan this page for best print quality. So step 1, I know how to scan, so I will do that right now. So let's do this. So we're gonna open up this. So yeah, we're gonna open up that page or whatever you call it. Then we are gonna put it upside down like this, then close it, and then tap this I don't know which one is the scan thing. I think this one. Yeah, that. No, this is the. Oh, this is the scan one. So color scan, please. I'm gonna tap that. It's gonna just simply scan it. I think it's scanning already because it's getting some sound, but I'm not sure. Some kind of noise, but I think it is done with the scanning of this document. I don't know. And let's actually see how it works. It looks like, did it really work? So I'm gonna actually print out my desktop, which is really colorful picture of macOS Big Sur, and let's see what happens. If you want to, of course, know how to print wirelessly from this printer, then click the card right here or go to the description and click the link right there. So now I'm gonna print and let's see what happens. I already gave it the instruction to print this picture out, and let's see what happens. I'm really interested to see. So it's printing quite well, as it was previously when it had like full cartridges. So it has printed out pretty well. I really matches all the colors and everything like that. So yeah, that's kind of how you can print, no, not print, but how you can replace your cartridges or your ink on the HP Deskjet 2600 series. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give it a like, and of course subscribe down below so that you don't miss any future videos just like this. And I'll see you guys later, so bye.